Bringing up the elephant in the room here, yes, I am trying to grow my hair out and it has been a challenge. I struggle with a dry scalp and some damage, which is not welcome for anyone. My goal is to strengthen my hair to the healthiest and shiniest it can be throughout the long periods I will not be having haircuts. Girl's trying to grow out her mane, okay? I am new to the hair oiling process, but I truly do not know how I went without it. I have been loving the HoliRoots Hair Oil by Fable in Maine and apply a good amount to my palm and warm it with my hand before massaging it into my hair. I then massage this into my head using different motions and techniques to really get it into the scalp. I really like making sure I get it to the root of my hair. My favorite technique is called tiger ears, and what you basically do is you take your thumbs, place them above your ears, reach your index fingers to meet in the middle of your scalp and massage here. Literally feels like an at-home massage and it's free. Personally, never thought that this was a technique that could ensure better nutrient absorption into your hair, and it promotes hair growth, which is wild. When I tell you this is my favorite part of my hair routine, your girl is not lying. I love having the option of leaving it in for just 10 minutes before a wash, or you could even leave it in overnight if you're planning to shower in the morning and really get that oil absorbing into your scalp. If you're looking for a good way to promote hair growth, have the healthiest and shiniest hair you've ever had, or to alleviate stress with a good massage, I definitely recommend checking out the Fable in Maine HoliRoots Hair Oil. You guys have to try it.